All right, so a few nights ago when I was making this movie here, um, I said that Corey Feldman in general was a big topic. But anyway, I said he was born in 1971, and I've been seeing a lot of 71s lately, and I wasn't quite sure what it meant until today when I was sitting at work. For whatever the reason, I decided to make up a little chart of each number, like 1 through 99, and then I wrote the mirror, and then I added and subtracted them. And I'll show you what I found here. And I'm sure there's probably somewhere on the internet that somebody has already made this up. I just, for whatever the reason, thought of it, and I was bored, so I started writing it down. Anyway, so I just typed it up again here, or part of it, just to prove a point here. But anyway, so 01 plus 10 equals 11. 02 plus 20 equals 22. So you see the mirrors, the opposite or whatever, and they go, when you add them, they go in multiples of 11. 11, 22, 33. When it gets to like the end of the sequence, there's a difference of 88 every time. 99 minus 11, 88. I'll scroll down here. 110 minus 22, 88. So I guess you subtract 88 and then it starts over. That's what it does when it reaches the peak or whatever. I don't know how to explain it, but 121 minus 88 and then it starts over at 33. Now when you subtract them, it is 01 minus 10. It goes in multiples of 9. So you got, when you add them, it goes 11, and when you subtract them, it's 9. So you got 9, 11, and then the difference of 88, and these ones are a difference of, it's different every time. It goes in multiples of like 18 for the difference. So 72, 54, 36. But anyway, what's interesting about the 71 then, let me find it here, 17 plus 71 is 88. So I guess it does make sense, 1971, because 71 and 17, when you mirror them, it's 88. That also explains this guy was in the movie Yogi Bear, something that the guy who wrote the 88th episode of the Ninja Turtles wrote a movie, Yogi Bear movie, and this guy was the voice of Yogi Bear, and he died in 1988 at the age of 71. And also the guy who played Boo Boo Bear, he died at the age of 71 also in 1997, which is 17 years ago, and he was born in 1926. So, he would be 88 years old this year. He died at the age of 71, 17 years ago. So this guy has two 88s around him. Now that I know that 17 and 71 are mirrored, so that's why I keep seeing it, I think. And the last thing I just wanted to point out again is that 1926 was 88 years ago. 1988 was 26 years ago, and the mirror of 26 is 1962, and it's actually 26 years before 1988. And I tried with a whole bunch of other numbers. You can't do that with, like, that's the only number I can find where it mirrors, and it's 26 years ago and then 26 years before 88. So just found that kind of interesting. That's all I'm gonna leave on here. Just you can kind of make up this chart yourself, or probably find one online and check it out. But it's pretty cool. Just for the fact that we've been talking about it forever and mirroring numbers, and that's what they're doing. But I'm rambling, so I'm gonna stop anyway. Have a great night.